It was another volatile day in the stock market today, with the S&P 500 falling 1.40% and closing at 3360.97. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Rodney Constable. I am a former financial advisor, a former vice president of a major mutual fund company, and I am the president and founder of Simple Market Signals at simplemarketsignals.com. Simple Market Signals helps financial advisors, money managers, and dedicated individual investors understand the current level of risk in the stock market as well as the trend direction, allowing you to make better, more informed asset allocation, investment, risk management, and trading decisions, all for less than $20 per month. Today we will be doing technical analysis on the S&P 500 for Tuesday, October 6th, 2020. And for this analysis, we will be using stockcharts.com. That is the charting service that I use and pay for, and I will leave a link to their site in the description box below this video. The first chart that we're going to look at today is a 1-day, 1-minute candlestick chart. So each candlestick represents 1 minute of trading, and you can see that we had a halfway decent day going on today until just after 2:45 this afternoon, and some news came out from the White House apparently saying that the stimulus talks have halted until after the election. And as we can see here, the market did not like that news, and it was just like falling off a cliff, and we went from a halfway decent day in the market to selling off and closing right near the lows of the session. And again, the S&P 500 was down 1.40%, and we closed at 3360.97. The next chart that we're going to look at is an hourly candlestick chart of the S&P 500, and this is a 1-month, 10-day chart. And the reason I made it this length is so we could see what's going on with the trading ranges that we've been in for September. And so I had to go back into the month of August just a little bit here. Anyway, the blue lines are set at 34.20, 33.30, and 32.10, so that we can really see, and especially on these hourly candlesticks, we can really see the trading range that we've been operating in since the first part of September. And after the sell-off, of course, we peaked in the market back on September 2nd and sold off, and we got down, and we really have been trading predominantly between 33.30 and 34.20 on the S&P 500. And with this afternoon's sell-off, it's taking us right back kind of to this midpoint, just below the midpoint of this trading range. So for now, the 33.30 area still represents support. 34.20 represents overhead resistance, and you can see on the hourly candlesticks this afternoon we got right back to that area, same as we had during the middle to the first part of September, and that 34.20 area is acting as overhead resistance. And then of course the negative news coming out of the White House really just started us falling. So as long as we stay above 33.30, there's probably not a whole lot to worry about, but we definitely appear to be range-bound here on the S&P 500 between 33.30 and 34.20. If 33.30 does not hold, then we know that this 32.10 area represents some support. We came down here, and it's kind of hard to see, but we kissed that area for just a couple of minutes, where you can see my cursor moving there on September 24th. We came down and just kissed that area for just a brief moment and then bounced off of that. So if we fall beneath 33.30, we already know that there's some support right around this 32.10 area. And if you want to know the longer term support levels, I'm not going to get into that today, but you can go back and look over the last couple of weeks at my longer videos, my weekend wrap-ups on Fridays that I do, and that's where I get into more granular detail and really look at the long-term support levels. But for now, we once again find ourselves kind of right in that mid-range between 33.30 and 34.20 on the S&P 500.